Hey there, Monica Hammond here. In this video, I want to show you how to use Veed to edit the videos really easily for your funnel. So I'm in here in Veed, I'm going to go to create project, and then you simply upload the video you want to use. For the sake of this, I'm going to choose a shorter one. This will be a video ad. And look, obviously this is the raw file. So quickly, you'll just start. Ooh, lovely screenshots of my crate. Whoa, that's a good one. Split. Okay. Oh my goodness. Slow motion. That's so sexy. Delete. Delete. All right, so I've already trimmed the start. Great. You'll notice I'm not making eye contact. Right? I'm reading off of a script. I'm reading off of a script that's on my phone on a ring light next to my camera. So I'll show you how to fix that. This tool has saved me from hours of memorization. I mean, like, it's truly unbelievable what you can do with this now. So once it's officially done uploading, you can do something called eye contact correct. While the video is uploading, though, why don't we do this? We're going to add subtitles, create subtitles. That's going to create. And we can also add music really easily. So let's do audio, find one that feels upbeat, my vibe. Let's see. Not cool enough. Cool. Let's use that one. You just hit plus and it adds it. If it's in the wrong spot, you can move it. And for me, I'm going to zoom in a little bit because I want to get the editing a little bit more on. So I don't want that whole like long intro. Okay. So obviously this is too loud. If you can, I don't know if you can hear that. Right, you can't hear me over it. So we're going to select this. We're going to select the track here and we're going to fade it down to, let's say, 33%. Still too loud. Let's do 15%. Right, not bad. Okay, so we're going to keep it there. Still waiting for it to finish uploading to do eye contact and still waiting for those subtitles. So I'm going to pause the video until those load. Okay, so the captions added. Oh gosh, every single time, every single freeze frame. We can play a game. Look at that. The many faces of me. Okay, so obviously this text is way too big. So you go to styles, you can change the size. Great, so that's fine. I want to make it less intense. There's lots of different styles here, so you can find the one that, fits your needs the best. That one's too simple. I like the highlighting. Let's see. I like that one. Effect, text outline, text shadow, animation. Let's see what happens when I do text animation. Yeah, so box highlight. I need to find my actual brand colors in here, but let's do like that for now. So, for example, that is something you could do. I personally don't like that one, so I'm going to change it back to maybe that. Let's see what that looks like. I also like the random text rotation. And let's do that more like this. So you can adjust all of the the subtitles and stuff like that there. Now it looks like my video finally uploaded. So let's do eye contact. Now this is going to take a few minutes to fix, but you'll see I'm very clearly not looking at the camera. Let's keep working on these subtitles because I hate the way that they look right now. Click back on the subtitles, opens this up. Let's see what other options they got here. Plain, remind me what the plane looks like. I also don't like how wide this is because ultimately this is going to be for Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so I just kind of squished it up. Styles. Let's go back to this one. Nope. Okay, that's better. The font is not in line with mine. You can upload your own fonts here, which is amazing, or you can use something more generic that they just sort of have built in here. That's better. I would even do like 18 point. It doesn't need to be huge. Now look at that. My eye line correct is on. That's on. That's off versus pretty great. Great. So in theory, let's say this was done. We'll just shorten this here. You go to done. You can export. I'm still not, this is not the ad I shall be running, but that's how you do it. Then you download it as like an MP4 or whatever. But I want to show you how you can then easily resize this video to be like the square 1x1 or the 9x16 for like a story or a reel. So after this downloads, you will be able to hit edit video, and then I'll be able to show that for you here in just a second. Okay, finish rendering. You just hit download MP4, and now we're going to go back to edit video. And we're going to go to resize for social media, Instagram post, fill and center. Let's do crop and fill on this one. Duplicate and resize. It's automatically going to take care of all the resizing. Usually it does a pretty good job with the subtitles and everything as well. Those typically transfer over. Come on. Here we go. Awesome. So now it's in this format, and you can do anything you want still over here. You can edit it. Let's move that. Edit it to, let's do animation, random text rotation. That doesn't look good with the background, but you get the point. So now, super easy way to, you don't have to memorize your scripts anymore if you want to do direct to camera stuff. It looks pretty darn good. Yeah. So I just love Veed, and there's so many more features you can play around with here, but it's really easy. I just edited a whole ad here in like 5 minutes. So hope this helps you guys out.